Hi, this is Noah from screenprintexchange.com. This is the second video on a tool I bought from Amazon. It's a PLATATO push to connect fitting disconnect tool for 5/16 to 1/4 inch hoses. I did up to 3/8. It also does 6mm to 8mm, and it works really well. I have not used it that much, so let's see how fast we can take apart this manifold with SMC valves, typically used on M&R automatic t-shirt presses. So you have to put it upside down. This is the lever that pushes against the orange. This is the clamp that holds the hose. So you slide it in, clamp it down, use the lever. There it is. There's one. So that's 1/3. This is going to go pretty quickly. Slide it in, clamp it down, push. That lever really helps. So let's see. This is usually clamped down to the press. So we're going to hold this, push down, boom. Hold it, press it, boom. And these typically do get stuck over time because they're spray adhesive, and it's just pretty amazing. It seems a little clunky, this tool, but it's good enough. It works. I really like it. I'm not going to use my hands anymore. I'll just use this tool, and I won't have all the problems sometimes. I mean, wow. I mean, this is taking no time to do. Your hands won't hurt. It's good. It's only $20, maybe $21. So look at that. That was all done. So yeah, I suggest that people should get this, especially if they're taking apart their own press. It's really cool. I didn't think it'd work, but it does. And it's patent pending. You should buy one if you work on machines a lot. So, okay, thank you. Go and visit my screenprintexchange.com website, classifieds, and like and definitely subscribe, because I'm giving you guys some useful hints and stuff. So there'll be more videos on this tool. It's pretty awesome. Thank you.